Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places, makes me...
Hello everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today I'm going to take a little walk with Umberto and his lady, and we're going to head up to Marquee Mall. So this is the main road that leads up to Marquee Mall. Like I said before, I haven't been out too much and gained the weight, and it's time to start walking that off again. I kind of feel not sick, but it's just like I don't like it. I never had any big weight in my entire life, and I start to see it's coming. So we are heading up that way, and enjoy the little walk with us. So let's go. Okay, on the sidewalk there's plenty of fish, plenty of meat, plenty of vegetables, fried chicken. The little e-commerce is going here day by day. There's a lot of e-commerce going on this street, all the way up to Marquee Mall actually. So hello. Hello. They like to be on the camera. So there's a lady sitting there working. You see a little bit of homeless people here and there, fighting and struggling to stay alive. Alright, Padala, Following Express, ships to go. And some shops are closed. And gasoline price is still down a little bit. It's 42, premium 42 pesos. A liter, which is, for those of you who understand dollars, about 80 cents a liter. So what is that? Still expensive compared to US. Over $3 a gallon. Umberto's doing office work as we are walking today. Hello. No, thank you. A lot of people selling tables. They're selling all kinds of stuff. Hello. A lot of motorcycle shops here too. Mr. Yempo. They've been the best lamp of the year from 2012 all the way through last year. I don't know if that's something they just put up there or not, but I forgot I have the shield on. Maybe it's shielding the sound a little bit. Well, we'll see. Keep walking down the street. And once you go down to here, you see all the way down there, you can see Mount Araya a little bit. It's an old volcano, stands about 1,000 meters, 3,000 feet above sea level, in the middle of nowhere. And that's the only mountain hill in that area. I think we have a couple of previous videos up there. We went, they have some park and some other things up there, and we went to check it out a little bit, and actually enjoyed going there. It was fun. Nice ride up there, and right through some local Filipino communities. So it's been interesting. Here they are. My face shield blow off of my face. Yeah. Alright, so we're heading down there. My face shield came off, guys. Several motorcycle shop here, racing, motorcycle, whatever that is. We'll see. Okie dokie. We're gonna continue walking a little bit.
Van a meterse y van a invertir a la cooperativa, van a ser parte de la cooperativa y la cooperativa crece. La gente entiende eso.
It's the Italian talking. He works at night, and sometimes I wake up, I hear a Spanish guy, and the next thing I know, I wake up, I hear an Italian guy, and then I hear an English guy, and then I hear a Portuguese, I think he speaks too. So there's like 4 or 5 languages he speaks. Pretty fluent. Alright, so here they've been cleaning off the tree, and we're just going to take a little walk. I haven't been out for 8 months, so it feels good. It's a little hot today, actually. A little overcast. I think it's going to get up to be raining a little bit. Nice weather. Very nice weather. Here you have some fiber lines down. In here you could see the street. That big tree is completely blown over up in there. It's a shame because some of them have these edible fruits and other things that you can eat from them, and people munch on that all the time. So it's a source of food, actually. And now they're all gone, or a lot of them are gone. It's another empty lot. But anyway, this is the road that actually leads all the way up to Marquee Mall, and we're going to try to walk up that way, and we'll see how far we get. See how far we get. Car wash, outer detailing. I guess we have a little car wash here. Laundry shop. All right, so up here we're entering into Barangay Balibago, I think it's called. So it's getting hot. I'm getting a little sweaty walking. All right, so now the video might be a little shaky because my gimbal actually were out of battery, so that'll make it a little shaky. So this is not what I wanted to do today, but that's what happened. Barangay Balibago. We're coming up there now. That's a little scene from yesterday. That tree fell down, I guess, fell off, took down the lines, and we're gonna head over on this side. And
This is from yesterday.
yeah, that's what I just said. It is from yesterday. That big tree went down. So.
See how they take care of the power lines when they go down?
Oh yeah. Power lines are down, cut, yeah. So, but I'm pretty amazed. They've been pretty quick coming out and fixing things. That's pretty amazing though. Yeah, the infinity sign is down. That happens.
Yeah, but it's cemented in.
Yeah, it's on some kind of concrete platform, but it still managed to blow off there. I don't know what those lettering is made of, but they're for sure not. Yeah. On the building over there, which was just constructed last year, I think.
Remember the Christmas balls?
Yeah,
They're right there.
the Christmas tree balls came down this way, I guess. So they're right in here.
But the big damage was right up there. You see that?
Yeah, no, I see that. The flashing came off and it gave wind underneath there.
Yeah, it was all on the floor yesterday.
Right,
Fixed it up, I guess.
yeah. Right, so, well, sorry guys, it's a little shaky. My gimbal stopped, but
That's okay.
yeah, battery ran out. I know it was going to happen at some point today, but we're cranking out a couple of 3 videos or shots for 2-3 videos, but here you can clearly see damage. But you know, I'm looking at it, right? I'm looking at it construction wise. That's, you know, not built to any major standards for sure. It looks like it's drywall underneath there. I don't know, maybe concrete board or something, but it was poorly made. So anyway, it's down. So that happened. All right, so right across here. Right across here is Metro Marquee Mall. So we are going to head on over there and grab a jeepney and go home. So we got our share of walk-in today, right?
Yeah, well, we go out that way. Right there.
Right. You're right there on the corner. So this is the Shoppy Mall, or Shoppies. Shops, Infinity Mall. All this has come up in the last couple of years, the roads here and all that. Courthouse is straight down that way. And that's a high-rise. I have a friend that owns a condo out there. They're really nice. There might be some available if you're interested. And that concludes this little walk today. And thank you for watching, guys. God bless. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.